Hi, what about classroom management? It is as important as the class itself. It involves everything happening in the classroom. Can your students see you? Can you hear them? Can they interact the way they should? Is the blackboard or whiteboard too far from them? Think about it for a minute. And here we go. Classroom management. There are many factors that can enhance language learning. A skilled instructor can play a significant role in the learning process. Instructors can manipulate the language learning environment to create optimal conditions for learning. Classroom management includes factors ranging from physical layout or the classroom to the methods, practices, and procedures the instructor uses to successfully achieve lesson objectives. The ALC presents an eclectic curriculum. It incorporates practical teaching techniques from a variety of methodologies. The suggestions provide on the following videos detail practices and proceedings for effective language teaching. Well, don't forget to manage your classroom. The students' needs are important. Remember that they should be able to learn with you, without you, and despite you. You, as an instructor, may be a significant part of a class, or may not. It's up to you. Make a difference. See you next time.